Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I created this side braid with the French braid technique. So just make a side parting and then start with the front section and make 3 equal strands. We're going to start from the inner side, so from the right side that goes over the middle strand, and then the left side, and now we're going again right over, and we add a portion of hair to this strand. Then the left strand goes over the middle strand, add in some hair, left hangs loose, tighten in between if necessary, then bring the right strand over, add in some hair and bring it all together over the middle strand. Again, right hand side after you did the left side, of course, add in some hair, left hand side, and add in some hair. Make sure that you grab all the hair from the edge of your face. We are still going along the side parting. So now left hand strand goes over, grab the hair over the ear, pull tight, bring right over, and now I'm starting to take portions of hair that is next to the side parting, and I'm covering the side parting with my portion that comes from the right hand side. You see now again, I take hair from next to the side parting and I pull it over. At the beginning I have more or less 5 centimeters, 2 to 3 fingers without any braid. And now we keep on braiding, and I'm pulling the hair to the middle of the head, so to the neck. Now again left hand side, add in some hair. Now the portions from the left hand side that I'm adding in are a bit smaller than the hair that I add in from the right hand side. Keep on pulling. Now add in hair from the right hand side, hold tight and pull over to the right hand side like you see, and pull tight, the strands tight together while you look for the remaining hair to be incorporated. And when you have all the hair in your 3 strands that should be equal, you just keep on braiding. And I did not use any hair tie at the end. I just used my comb, and then I'm pulling a bit the outer edges to make the braid look a bit wider, and that is the final result. You see that I just pulled the braid until the middle of the neck, but you have to braid to the right hand side. So if you like this video, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. What would you like to see next? What kind of tutorials you like best? Do you want shorter hair or longer hair? And we are uploading 2 to 3 times a week a new video, so make sure that you don't miss it and click the little bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you back soon. Bye bye.